Let's go, people. Another day, another pack opening. We get this pack today. Mega Heracross pack, Phantasmal Flames. One pack a day. As we do, let's see what we get today. Nimble. Mischievous. Duraludon. I like her. Shinji Kanda. That's it. Kavana. Na na na. Sarah Ledge. Crocodile. Fire Breather. Absol reverse. Pillow Slime reverse. And just the Moltres today. Cool card for someone. Nothing special at all. That's another cool artwork. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe to see what we get in the next pack in the next video. Let's go.